Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ife. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to change your engine air filter, and I got them in my hands. Okay, first of all, let's look into the part number. So I got them from eBay. So for OEM, you can see the part number is Nissan 16546 30P00. Okay, yeah, you can search it for different parts and that will fit your car. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here's my car, Natasha, 2016 Q50, 3.0 liter and twin turbo. And let's get started. So you got to know where you can open your engine hood, right? Okay, you heard the sound, right? To hook the hood, there's a small switch on here. You can just bend it and opens it. Okay, so where are you going to change them? So one on here, the other one is on the left hand side. Okay, so I think you can easily to be done in 5 minutes. Okay, you see those glitches. Just bend them, open it, and put out your old filters. Oh gosh, it's stuck. Okay, now. Oh, damn, it's nasty. You see how dirty is this, man? Gosh, I'm going to put the new one in. Okay, let's open this. You got to remember which side is your engine filter is going in. Remember this side is going towards to you. Okay, so how you put it in is just like how you grab it out. So you're gonna push it all the way in, yeah, until it can fit. Yeah, you want to put it towards to you. Okay, like this. Oops. Okay, remember to close it. And next, you're going to do the same on the left hand side. Okay, I'm going to open the plastic first. It will be exactly the same you have been doing on the right hand side. We can do a comparison. You see how dirty are the old ones. Okay, this is how you're going to change it. It's time to change it. Okay, let's see how dirty is this one. To be honest, they already changed it before. Gosh, it's even worse, though. It's a bit harder than the right hand side. And just tight it towards to you. Okay, I'm done. Congratulations, you just saved your 160 bucks. Look at the old ones. You can see there's oil in it, and you can see there's some small rocks, lasers, whatever you can name it. Gosh, you see I don't even know what is this. Oh, that's a spider, man. Gosh. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.